thank you to the media for being here this morning at this special media conference we're having here. And we want to this morning announce that this group before you is forming the Pikes Peak Region Mayor's Caucus. And you see next to me the mayors of our surrounding communities, as well as the chairs of our two county commissions, both El Paso County and Teller County. And we've just completed about an hour-and-a-half meeting to discuss, among other matters, our need for increased funding for our state highways through Colorado Springs, Interstate 25, 85, 87, US Highway 24. And this group will be traveling to Denver in the near future. We've asked to meet with Governor Hickenlooper. Be the first time, I think, in history that will have happened, that all the mayors and county chairs from our region will be together at that time to meet with Governor Hickenlooper, to ask him to provide the support we need in the Pikes Peak region for our state highways. So I'm very excited about the prospects of what we can accomplish together, and I want to tell you who all's involved in this new group. And I'll just tell you alphabetically: Blair Bartling of the town of Calhan, the mayor, is here this morning and is part of our Pikes Peak Region Mayor's Caucus. Bruce Brown of Cripple Creek is also part of our group. John Cressman of Palmer Lake is part of our group, although you may have noticed in the paper that no one is running for mayor in Palmer Lake. So he may be up there right now trying to recruit some people, but John's part of our organization here. Also, Travis Easton is here, mayor of Monument, and also Buck Hakes of Victor is part of our group. Jerry Howells, the mayor of Fountain, is here. Steve Randolph of City of Woodland Park is a member. I couldn't be here today. Mark Snyder, City of Manitou Springs, is also here, and Tyler Stevens of Green Mountain Falls is here, and also Jim Ignatius, Jim, Teller County Commission Chair, and Amy Lathan, El Paso County Commission Chair. So it's a great group of people who are the senior elected officials from a management point of view in each of our jurisdictions, and we think that by coming together and working regionally, we can get a lot of things done. This is patterned after the Denver Metro Mayor's Caucus, which has been very successful up there in getting things done and working together for the betterment of that region. So this is a new day for the Pikes Peak area in terms of this collaboration. I'm proud to be part of it. And next, I'd like to just ask the mayor of Green Mountain Falls, Tyler Stevens, to address you. As you know, the town of Green Mountain Falls Town Hall was destroyed or nearly destroyed recently. A real tragedy. And it is time for all of us to try to step forward and help Green Mountain Falls. And so, Mayor, if you would just say a few words on what we can do, please.